Have you ever wondered how to add texture to your landscape? Welcome to the captivating world of ornamental grasses, your answer to year-round interest, movement, and multi-season color. Versatile, hardy, and fitting for various landscape styles. Dive into the world of ornamental grasses and discover how they can transform your garden. There are numerous varieties of ornamental grasses to explore. Take fountain grass, for instance. It's known for its arching sprays of fluffy, buff-colored plumes. Then we have the blue fescue, celebrated for its icy blue foliage and compact shape. And who can overlook the Japanese bloodgrass, with its striking red-tipped leaves that seem to set the landscape ablaze. Each of these grasses brings a unique touch to your landscape. Now let's see how to use them. Ornamental grasses can play diverse roles in your garden design. These versatile plants can be used as ground cover, spreading out to fill in gaps and add a lush, textural element to your landscape. They are also excellent for rock gardens, where their striking forms can contrast beautifully with the rugged terrain. But that's not all. You can use them as borders, creating natural flowing lines that guide the eye through your outdoor space. Perhaps you want a focal point. Some ornamental grasses grow tall and majestic, perfect for drawing attention. Or you might prefer to plant them densely for a natural privacy screen. Regardless of how you use them, they add color, texture, and movement to the garden. So, with ornamental grasses, you can create a garden that is visually stimulating and full of life. Ornamental grasses, a simple addition with a big impact. With their versatility, these grasses can transform any landscape, adding a unique texture that is hard to achieve with other plants. They're easy to care for, making them perfect for both novice and experienced gardeners. And their distinctive looks, that's the cherry on top. So, why not infuse your garden with a dose of ornamental charm? If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about gardening, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Happy gardening!